Find the four numbers forming a geometric progression in which, right? So they're asking for us to create a geometric progression. So the condition is the third term is greater than the first by 9. Okay. The second is greater than the fourth by 18. So this is a bit weird, is it not? So if you read the question carefully, you'll get to know that. So I'll explain. First thing is I would like to understand what would be the underlying principle over here. See, since we have to find the GP, for finding any GP, we need to find A and R. To find any A and R, that is two unknowns, right? These are two unknowns. To find any unknown, we need I equation. To find two unknowns, at least we need two equation. So where will we get that equation? With the help of this statement. Okay, that is a sequence of thinking. So let's start off with our answer. So we have been given that third term is greater, means what? It is more by 9 with respect to the first term. This is given. So let's expand it. So we will make use of an, which is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 for a geometric progression. So in this case, we have a into r to the power of 2, which is equal to a plus 9. We'll call this as 1. We will make use of it. That's the whole funda. Then we have second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. So greater means addition by 18. So again we have to expand this. So a into r to the power of 2 minus 1, that is a into r cube plus 18. And now we have this to be 2 and this to be 1. How can we solve this? Well, I can express, since I have a, I can use substitution method, or I can re-express this as, let me write it. This is given by the way. So let me show this. A into r can be written as a into r square into r to the power of 1 plus 18. Agree? This is as per the formula a to the power of n into a to the power of m, which is a to the power of n plus m. Okay. So then we have, what else do we have? Then we have this, right? In place of this, I'm going to substitute from 1. So I have the following. So from 1, I can substitute for that. So in place of that, what is that I have to put? A into r is equal to a plus 9 into r plus 18. Okay, I just went with my guts. So I'm getting the answer. So you can see plus 9r plus 18. Both the sides we have ar getting cancelled. And so we have 9r is equal to plus 18. If I transpose it, it's minus 18 is equal to 9r. Then as usual, I'll divide with 9 and we have r to be equal to minus 2. We found the common ratio. And finding a will not be difficult. Let's make use of, I think this is good enough. So substituting r in 1. So we end up with a into 4 is equal to a plus 9. A bit of rearranging. If I transpose this, this will be 3a is equal to 9, right? And then dividing 3 both the sides. So what do I end up with? A is equal to 3. So this is not the final answer because we need to write the sequence, right? That's the question if I'm right. Find the first 4 terms. Yes. So the first term clearly is 3. Therefore the GP is 3. And then we have minus 6. And then we have 6 into 2, that is 12. And then we have minus 24, right? So those are your 4 terms. Does it look correct? So let's have a look. So we have the third term greater than the first term by 9. Is that so? Yes. And the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. That's correct. So minus 6 minus 18 or minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6. So that's how we have to think. And this will be our answer. Again, there are many ways of getting it. This is one of the ways. Just one change. Okay, we're substituting that from equation 1.